Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, July 15th, 2025, we're taking a look at Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We're going to analyze recent news and events surrounding Amazon and then dive into the charts to see what's happening technically. Recent headlines indicate a strong push by Amazon into AI, which could fuel AWS growth, and there are ongoing discussions about potential impacts from Trump-era tariffs. We'll explore how these factors may influence Amazon's stock price. We'll start by looking at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see quite a bit of volatility over the past year. We see that back in August of 2024, the price saw a sharp drop, hitting down near the 160s. It recovered quite a bit since then, but lately has seen a decline from the 220s down to the current price of $225.69 as of July 14th. Let's narrow our focus to the last few months, from the start of March 2025. Zooming in on this range, we can see a support level forming around 170 to 180 US dollars that has held since late March. It appears that the price attempted to break that support in early April, but recovered quickly. We can also observe resistance around the 230 US dollars level, which the price struggled to maintain. The overall trend from March to early July appears to be bullish with some retracements, but seems to be breaking down as of mid-July. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see the stock has been trading in a choppy range recently. There seems to be minor support around 224 US dollars and resistance around 226 US dollars. If it breaks the 224 US dollars support, we might see a further drop to the 221 level. Looking at the recent Google search data, analysts predicted that Amazon is expected to hit $229.70 by June 2025, so we're already lower than that, which suggests it may be bearish. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see even finer details. This chart can help us identify short-term entry points. Zooming in on the last 24 hours, we see that Amazon traded flat for a while near 225 US dollars, followed by a sharp downward spike to the 224 US dollars level, and then another dip to the 223 US dollars level. A further breakdown in Amazon to the 220 US dollars level looks more likely than a move back up. In summary, key price levels to watch are 224 as immediate support and the 170 to 180 range for long-term support. On the upside, the 226 level acts as resistance. Given the recent news about AI and the market's potential reaction to ongoing tariff discussions, Amazon's long-term growth potential remains strong. However, in the short term, the chart data suggests a bearish trend, so be cautious about timing your entries. Remember to do your own research and consider your personal risk tolerance before making any trading decisions.